Earn money by watching YouTube videos. Before we begin, please subscribe to this channel and don't forget to turn on that notification bell so that you will be notified whenever we upload a new video. Also, please give this video a big thumbs up, and if you have any concerns, questions, or opinions about the video, don't be shy and leave a comment down below. Step 1 is to go to youtube.com. From there, you can find many videos, and I want you to click on any of these videos. Step 2 is to make sure that you watch at least 30 seconds of the video. And in step 3, you make money. These are real payment proofs from people all over the world for all of the videos they watch. Now let's look at how much money you can make from this. You may make $3 simply by watching one YouTube video. You earn $30 for watching 10 YouTube videos. And you may make $150 per day if you watch 50 videos each day. And guess what? You can do this as many times as you like and keep making money. And it's completely legal and completely free. YouTube is truly available all over the world. You may view it from anywhere on the planet, and right now, all you need is a cell phone or a computer. I'll show you a few examples and videos you can watch. Don't forget, I have a little surprise bonus for you at the end of this video, which is an exclusive tip that can help you earn 5 times more money by simply watching YouTube videos. So make sure to stick around and keep watching until the end. Let's get this started. The first thing I want you to do is to click on the sign in button at the top, which will take you to this page. If you don't already have a YouTube account, you may make one by clicking on this button, creating an account and selecting a username for yourself. From there, you can create a free Google account and sign up for YouTube. Once you've logged into your YouTube account, you'll notice on the left section that you can watch the best of YouTube from there. YouTube will show you the top performing best video categories such as music, sports, gaming, movies, news, and so on. Right now, I'm going to teach you a secret technique that no one is talking about. So I want you to click on gaming from there, and that will lead you to this website. There are literally millions of people watching these videos on YouTube under the gaming section. And they don't know how they could be making a lot of money, but I'll show you how. And that's exactly how all of these guys are making big money on YouTube. $3, $8, $15 over and over again for every single video that they watch. So let me tell you the first bonus tip right now. I'd like you to focus on this video category Among Us, which is one of the most popular games that is now trending. When you click on Among Us, you'll be sent to this page where you can discover several videos about Among Us gameplays. And the next step is as simple as clicking on any of these live videos. If I click on this one, it will bring me to this page where they are running a live stream. As you can see, there are a lot of people watching this video, and there are a lot of demands and opportunities to make this type of video right on YouTube. So keep watching and I'll show you exactly how you can make a lot of money from this type of YouTube videos, and you can repeat this for a lot of different YouTube videos right on this category. We should go to the second website, 7r6.com, to convert those YouTube videos into real money. This service allows you to shorten URLs and convert them into real money. Don't worry, I'll make things as simple as possible for you. It's actually easier than you think, and no one else is talking about it right now. You might be making a lot of money if you watch this video all the way to the end. So the concept here is very simple. Sign up for a free account on 7r6.com and then shorten the URL links to different YouTube videos. I'll teach you exactly how to do it in a second, and you could be making money with every video you watch. Now I'll give you an example and explain how it works. If you're watching these YouTube videos, you can find the share button beneath here. Click on the share button and you'll be able to locate a YouTube URL link for this particular gaming video, and from there, I want you to click on the copy button. All we have to do now is return to this website, 7r6.com, and paste the URL link from this YouTube video into this box. As you can see, I just put the link to that YouTube video into this box and clicked this tiny button. This website will automatically convert and shorten the long YouTube URL link into a fresh, unique one for me. As you can see, you will now be paid every time a user clicks on the shortened link. That is exactly how all of these guys can make a lot of money every day right here on this website. Once you've earned your money, you may transfer it into your PayPal account, Web Money, Perfect Money, Payeer, and so on. There are many payment options available. So the first thing I want you to do is to go back to the home page and click on the sign up button, which will lead you to this page where you can register for a brand new membership, which is totally free and available worldwide. I'd want you to enter your username, email address, create a password, agree to the terms of service and privacy policy, and then click the register button. This is what your dashboard will look like after you sign up for a new account and log in. From here, I'd like you to click on the top right button, which is a new shorten link. Click on that, and that's where we'll copy and paste our YouTube URLs to shorten them and make money. If you think that's powerful, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and turn on that notification bell. Alright? So all we need to do now is return to your YouTube video, click the share button and copy this URL link. Then return to our dashboard and copy and paste our URL right here into this box, and then under the alias, write in Among Us, which is the title of the video, and then click the shorten button. This is a shortened link. So for step 3, return to YouTube and repeat this step for up to 3 other videos. The more YouTube videos you copy and shorten the URLs for, the more money you'll make. This is the next bonus tip I'd like to offer you. Focus on this specific category since you'll be making a lot of money. I want you to pay close attention to live streaming videos. Now let's go on. I'm going to click on this video, which will lead me to another live streaming video. From there, we'll repeat the same strategy. Click the share button, then copy, then go to your 7R6 dashboard and paste the second URL link into this box. And last, we'll just type Among Us 2 on the alias and click shorten. This is a second successful link shorten. Remember what I said? Just continue the same technique. Find different YouTube videos, then copy the link and shorten it using 7r6.com. Now for the final step, I want you to go to steamcommunity.com. First and foremost, are you a gamer? What kinds of games do you actually play? Please let me know in the comments section. This is a gaming website or platform where many people discuss various strategies for playing multiple games. There are so many different discussions going on right now in the Among Us game. As you can see, this game has generated a lot of interest. This game is now popular, and they are receiving millions and millions of views every single day. Therefore, this is your best opportunity to capture this trend with the help of 7r6.com and make a lot of money from all of these YouTube videos. Now, basically, what you can do is join up for a free account on Steam Community, create a post about Among Us or any other trending games, then share your shortened link into this Steam Community through that post, and you'll receive a lot of clicks from a lot of people. They will see your link, click on it, and watch the video, and you will get money for every single click. And with just one video, you might earn hundreds of thousands of dollars. For those of you who are still watching, I have a special bonus tip that will help you earn 3 times as much money as others. Now, this is a secret website that I've never shared with anyone else, but I'd like to share it with you right now. Mood.us. Basically, this is a special forum where you can find different people talking about this game, Among Us. A lot of individuals are sharing different photos and videos. Basically, they're earning hundreds of thousands of views from all of these videos about Among Us gameplays. And since you've made it this far, I'd want to share this chance to earn more money with you, especially if you focus on this category. When you copy the URL to this type of video, which is live streaming video, you may get hundreds of thousands of clicks and make a lot of money. As part of the extra bonus that I promised you, I'd like to share with you this free copy and paste template that you can use to help you make a lot more money right now. So you can just copy this template and share it on the Stream Community or the Mood.us forum. From there, your shortened link will receive a large number of clicks and you will earn a large amount of money. So this is simply one of the many examples where you'll receive a lot of clicks. However, this is how I structure this template. You can tweak this and edit it with your own words, and you can also say you can view the live streaming video right here. And this is where you'll enter your shortened URL. So just return to your 7R6 dashboard and copy this shortened URL right here. Then return to our template and paste the link right here. All you have to do is copy this complete template and paste it into this website. You don't have to put in much work because these gaming videos are picking up a lot of trends and are very popular right now. Especially if you discover a great video on YouTube that has a lot of views. As a result, your shortened URLs will receive a lot more hits. That is exactly how many individuals can make so much money from each and every video that they watch. I really hope you found this video useful, and if you did, don't forget to like it and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in my next video.